I finally made it to the DIY booth. Shout out to Nick and Mr. Ivan on getting their booth out here. So today, a lot of you guys asked me, hey, what is up with the polisher? Um, and we got to play with it. I will say, I was skeptical at first because of the battery placement, kind of everything you guys were talking about. And I got to play with it, right? After playing with it, this thing I think has more power than the Rupes that I sold, brand new one. Has more power in my opinion, and it controls really, really nice. Cut beautifully as well. But for those who are thinking about purchasing maybe your next cordless, right? I'm gonna have Mr. Ivan tell you a little bit about their newest addition coming to the DIY detail cordless polisher. A little bit explaining a little bit of the battery as well. I know a lot of you guys were asking me like, what do you think about the battery, bro? And I was like, I don't know because it's different. But sometimes different is good, right? I've purchased the cordless from Rupes, and I told you guys I wasn't too excited after paying $800 for that machine. It felt like it had underperformed, but this one at speed 6, this thing has power. So, anyways, I'm gonna have Mr. Ivan kind of explain to you guys a little bit of their newest cordless, so you guys can make your decisions. And whenever it comes out, I'm definitely thinking of purchasing one because of just me using it. I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna buy this cordless and really have some fun with it. So, Mr. Ivan, take it away.
So the polisher, very simple. We've put the battery in a place that isn't in the way. The battery at the end, like a lot of polishers, makes it so that you've got weight where you shouldn't have weight. Our weight is concentrated here where it should be. The battery, like you saw when you were using it, it doesn't get in your way of seeing the pad. The spacing for your hands is the same as a corded tool, as opposed to having it there where it's too tight, it's too, things aren't where they should be. Now your arm spacing is correct.
Yeah.
The balance, like you said, it feels like a corded tool.
Yeah.
It's weighted like a corded tool. It's under 6 pounds for the machine. It's not heavy, it's lightweight. The battery is a Makita style battery. So same attachment as a Makita.
Okay.
So if you have Makita batteries, great. If you have DeWalt or Milwaukee batteries, they sell little things that slide in and you can put...
Oh, so other
there's
people
adapters,
could be...
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you can use other brands of batteries if you want.
Savings.
Yeah, it comes with 2 batteries.
Okay.
A charger for $379 for the DA, 25 millimeter stroke DA. For the rotary, it's $359.
Yeah, those prices are affordable. I was thinking maybe of a higher price point.
Yeah, well, if you want to pay us more, you can.
Definitely.
But yeah.
That price point is amazing. So after me using it, I gotta tell you, I was very impressed because of the I did it with one hand and it just felt so good on your hand. Where a new polishing detailer can use this. Very user friendly, easy to understand, and I mean, obviously, I think it's a good combo. After me using it here a couple times, yeah, look at that balance. So it's. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, this thing looks hideous.
Yeah, we're not going to win design awards for the looks. We might win design awards for functionality, though.
Yeah. It works. So I'm excited to once it arrives. Definitely expect me to end up buying this one because of performance. I even tried to force it down as I had it, and it was still giving me a good spin. So this polisher impressed me, definitely. And they do have a rotary as well. So.
Of course, yeah.
But hey, if you were thinking about it, I visited the DIY detail. I heard a couple of you guys. Here it is. I played with it. I liked it. So yeah, can't wait to get some hands on this one for sure. So
thanks a lot, Carlos.
Good to see you, brother. 100%. Hey.
All right, you guys. We are at booth number
13152.
Yeah, I couldn't memorize all that. We are with the famous Papa Smurf. How you liking it so far?
First of all, pleasure to finally meet you in person.
Yeah, man.
Second of all, we're having a blast out here at SEMA Day 2. Day 1 was crazy. I'm trying to keep up with this guy, but man, I'm telling you, come down 13152. Come check us out. We're just chilling, representing Phoenix, House of Rags.
This year you are you partnered up with Phoenix EOD for this SEMA or
Yeah, I mean, I'm just Smurf down here representing, helping a buddy of mine out, or one of my best friends, just because he needed one of his horsemen down here with him.
there you
So
go. What's your favorite product? What's your favorite one of your favorite products from Phoenix EOD?
One of my favorite products. Now we're talking about interior Typhon.
Whatever.
Typhon is absolutely phenomenal. It's your cleaner slash deodorizer. It's going to leave a straight factory finish, and also it's going to make it smell good. It's going to neutralize any odors, and it's highly dilutable. So just one little bottle of concentrate, and you can make like easily 10 to 15 bottles.
And you said it was
cleaner.
what? Typhoon?
Typhon.
Typhon?
Right here.
That one. So this bottle right here.
Yep, this is
this the
Typhon.
size? Is this the size they
So
come in?
this is
or?
concentrate, right?
Okay.
And you can make. I like to use it at 10 to 1.
10 to 1.
It cleans good at 10 to 1, and you just take. I think it's an ounce and a half, and then.
So
fill the
out of
rest
this
it
little
with water.
bottle, you could probably make like 20.
Yeah, 20 bottles.
At
10 to 1. Yeah,
10
you could
to
probably
1.
make 20 bottles of cleaner, and it works fantastic. Lathers up good. It's not crazy lathery, but
Yeah.
you know, lathers
It'll get the job done.
exactly. You know, when
Nice.
you're really not trying to make a video, but you want to get a car clean and make it smell good. You know what I mean?
That'd be the one.
Yeah, this
Is
is the
this
one.
your first year at SEMA or is this your second, third?
This is my first time here ever.
First time here.
First time here ever. So I'm living the dream right now, guys.
Outside of SEMA, how are you liking the strip, the energy?
I'll tell you what, the energy is wild. It is wild here right now, and I honestly like.
It's different.
It hits different right now out here in Vegas, but my 8 o'clock bedtime has to be pushed back a little bit later because, like I said, I'm trying to catch up with this guy. But
Like I think last night for sure I went to go to sleep at 3 a.m., which never happens. I'm asleep by like 9:30. I'm already like, but out here it's different. It's different.
it's almost like you don't want to miss something. It's like
Yeah.
I don't want to go to sleep because I don't want to miss something.
Yeah.
Because there's just it's alive. It doesn't sleep, right?
It does
don't they
not
call it the
sleep,
city that
bro.
never
I'm
sleeps?
like, can y'all go to sleep? I'm trying to go to sleep too.
Fremont
But
Street was what? It was like
Fremont
12:30,
Street is wild.
and it was like it was 2 o'clock in the afternoon down there at 1 o'clock in the morning. So that's not what I'm used to seeing.
Yeah. So again, hey, if you're out here at SEMA, I hope you enjoyed all the booths. I hope you stopped by the House of Rags. You know, come and support these guys. We got Eddie, we got Jamie, we got Details out here.
We got Pan out here.
Pan out here. Everybody's out here.
Christian with bio bombs.
As a detail community, support is truly one of the greatest things that we can do as a community is support one another, right?
1,000%. There's plenty out there for everybody.
There
You
are
know
plenty
what
of
I mean?
out there. So again, hey, let's continue this SEMA strolls and see into what else we get into.
We're just scratching the surface, baby.
Yes.
You know what I mean? That's yeah.
When you get to 1 million subscribers, what are you gonna create?
I'm gonna create opportunities for other people.
That's a good answer.
Endorse Papa Smurf.
There you go. And what you guys are seeing right now is one of the newest brands. This is called Katiba. But look at the like aesthetics, the looks of this brand is like so amazing. Just look at the ceramic coatings, towels, ceramic spray. That's really cool. I like a lot of they got brushes, my favorite. This is a foam cannon. It's different from our style, but look at that. So
Very portable.
yeah, portable, yes.
This is the most popular one. It's a water base.
This is the ceramic spray, that one?
Yeah.
This is the ceramic spray. Just look at the labeling, guys. It's
Gives
so
you like strong repellent.
yes.
I'll give it to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank
in your
you.
bag
I will.
before someone sees.